Working with CPL was absolutely first class.
CPL is a leading supplier of cleaning services to both commercial and private clients, which includes fire and flood restoration, doff paint removal, and a wide range of specialist cleaning services.
We deliver to you a job in a timely, efficient manner without complications wherever possible.
A large Victorian property suffered from a burst pipe in the loft space, affecting 2 floors, all the content, fixtures and fittings.
At the time, my father was in hospital very ill. During the process, he passed away. Dealing with CPL was fantastic for us as a family. They took all the stress and aggravation away. I was very happy for CPL to deal with the loss adjuster and the insurance company on our behalf. It was totally painless for us as a family.
We are the main contractors of the refurbishment of Marine Court. Our main objective down there has been to get the paint off of all the surfaces. CPL, with the DOF system, we have found being far greater than the other methods that are available. Not as noisy and eco-friendly. CPL take on the whole package for you with the preparation, and afterwards you're left with a nice clean substrate and everything's cleaned away. And if ever we had a project where it wanted paint removal, we wouldn't hesitate to go to CPL.
If you're thinking of using CPL, I can wholeheartedly recommend them. Everything was carried out as it should have been. Team of professionals.
For a free, no obligation quote, visit our website or call us today using the details on the screen.